Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna show you how to add a link to an item in your timeline widget. It's a simple process that can make your website more interactive and user-friendly. Let's get started! First things first, head over to the widget editor. In the timeline editor, you'll see all the items you've added to your timeline. Find the card you want to add a link to. Simply click on the name of the card to edit its details. Here you will see several options. Look for the fields labeled card link and card link text. In the card link field, enter the URL you want to link to. In the card link text field, type the text you want your users to see and click on. You can also decide how this link behaves when clicked. Look for the option labeled Card Link Target. Click on the drop-down menu next to Card Link Target and choose whether you want the link to open in the same tab or in a new one. Selecting New tab is often a good idea if you're linking to an external site, so your users don't navigate away from your page. And that's it! You have successfully added a link to your timeline. Now, when users click on that card, they'll be redirected to the link you've specified. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!